I realized what is it called? I realized that power save, monitor, auto temp, high, did it playback monitor volume 0, channel 1, 2, 4 channel audio. Just keep that at 4, I guess. Audio signal shooting on, audio signal start and end. I guess the time is the sound of the beep. Just keep it off. Just keep it at USB lens, USB power supply. Keep that on, I guess. HDMI. Wow. 2060. What is it, only 2K? Record media during HDMI output. Okay, I can keep that on. Off, HDMI only. .4K. Just whatever, raw output. I guess you can externally record, right? Channel 1 and 2. Time code output. Oh, it still turns off when you walk away from it, okay. HDMI info displays, control for HDMI off. It'd be nice because I will, I guess. I don't even know if I'll use the HDMI thingy, but you know, it is what it is. Video light on, anti-dust curtain when power off, on. There's auto pixel mapping. I think I'll just pixel map more manually on a regular basis. If auto pixel. Okay. I'm on version 1.0. Display scene. Okay, add item from my menu. Okay, that's all my settings. Wow. Alright, so I'll take a few photos from this. This is, like I said, this is on the A9iii. It does look much nicer, I tell you that. I can definitely see. Oh, what mode are we on? Oh, we're gonna go manual, picture, single shot. How do I turn the... See, the heck? Uh, 24% battery, okay. But anyway. But yeah, this will be a goodbye to the A9iii. At least the memory card will. Until I get the memory card. And then I will shoot now out the Tesla with this machine of a beast. Yeah, you don't understand. Like, it's kind of crazy. But yeah, this is a nifty machine, that's for sure. 1.8 ISO. It's too damn bright, I'll tell you that. 250. Oh my gosh, I can. 16,000. Okay, 16,000 is the farthest I can go, I think. Does it not want to even just dummy shoot? The clicks are like... But yeah, you can take 32 noise reduction images, which is kind of nuts. So I don't know why people say dynamic range. I don't know how it is for the newer cameras, but this one could only take, on the A9iii can only take, well, technically you can take, oh, okay, see, this is the great thing about film, is that technically you can do unlimited, right? Because that's just how film cameras work, right? There's just so much manual control. But for the A9iii, you can only do 5 images for that dynamic range bracketing, and noise reduction thing is as that many times as well. So I mean, it works, of course, but now, does this machine sound cool? No, it sounds fucking lame. But it's about the tool. It's not about the looks. It's about how can it perform. So, you know. Now we're going to be shooting on the Tesla with the A9 Mark III. So goodbye. I will still use this as my secondary camera because I'm going to still take photos of like the night sky and stuff. Like, it's better for me to have like 2 cameras to shoot, and then also if someone wants to come and take photos of me, because I already had this, not issue, but like I already had this scenario come up a few times. So it's like, instead of like, you know, sharing cameras, you know, whatever. I mean, of course, I'll let some people take some photos of this with this as well, but for the most part, yeah, I think this will be an easy camera, and it'll make people appreciate this camera once they, because I think if you know how to shoot with this camera, you can shoot with this easy. It's like starting someone with training wheels, like yes, you can have training wheels and, like, you know, meters and gauges or whatever, but you know, you gotta drive the shitty car first. You gotta use the mediocre gear before you get to the higher gear. And will most people need the global shutter? No, definitely not. But will I, as a person, differentiate myself in the photo shoots? Yes, because now we can do more actiony shots. We can do more shots with light involved. We can do a lot of water shots. You know, the possibilities are endless, really. I'm gonna hopefully take some photos of a helicopter and video. Of course, the videos would be the coolest thing. But yeah, we can now take photos and videos of helicopters. Isn't that nuts? Anyway, thanks for chilling, viewing out the Tesla with me, with my unboxing of the Tesla, because this is the craziest new machine that we got. So yeah, again, thanks for viewing, and we'll take some test shots, have that during the blackout period of the video when it overheated, and then yeah, and we'll you know, the only thing I hate that's missing is maybe thought of the on and off button should have been on off. Oh, what? The on and off button should have been Had a lock button, I think. I don't know. I missed that in those days. Anyway, thank you for viewing out the Tesla and, you know, joining me in this journey, you know.